Hi guys, and welcome to my channel, and welcome back if you're part of my nail fam. Today we are doing my long awaited Fancy Gloss Super Summer haul. So if you love live swatches and complexion comparison pics, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you never miss an upload. And here is the Fancy Gloss Instagram info. I'm going to have the site as well as the Facebook page down below so that you guys never miss a release or any sneak peeks of new polishes that are going to be released. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing the Fancy Gloss haul. So if you follow my Instagram, you've seen a couple of these polishes popping up in my feed and me just loving all over them because they are just flaky goodness packed into a tiny little bottle, and it's just so wonderful. And I know, I'm sorry, I said tiny little bottle, but it says right there 15 milliliters. So I just want to go ahead and start out with, I grabbed these in June of 2020 when there was a restock, but I'm going to start you guys off with the first two that I went to her site and bought because I actually came back to Jackie's site because I needed more. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started so we can get through the video and you guys can see these. So the first visit was before June 2020 was because I had already purchased I Mis Hijos from Polish Pickup during the fall, and I loved it even though it was a thermal because I loved both states and I loved the flaky composition. So I had been stalking her site for a little bit, and then summer rolled around and she started releasing some mega irresistible polishes. So this first one is Limonata, and it is incidentally in my yellow indies for summer video. I'll go ahead and link that up above for you guys so that you can check it out. But goodness gracious, this baby actually pulled me into the vortex of purchases because I needed this yellow. I already had Sun Chaser and I liked Sun Chaser so much that I decided to grab this one. So I'm not live swatching on my fingers today, guys, but I have worn all of these polishes, so I'm gonna post swatch photos for you guys to check out. And right here, I'm just doing a quick one coater of Limonata, and as you guys can see, very pretty jelly formula packed with color shifting flakies, pink to yellow, and that's, I'm telling you guys what I see automatically because this is purely my opinion on polishes in my haul. So that one was Limonata. I will be back with a second coat on that one. And then the second purchase was Cranberry Splash. So I'm not usually pulled towards reds, but I think what pulled me was those color shifting flakies in pink. So it was just, I think that I have a problem as far as when it's pink color shifting flakies, I can't say no, and I don't understand why. I don't ask, I don't try to analyze it, I just do. And that's like the first coat on it, but as you guys can see, those color shifting flakies come right through real quick, and it was one of the reasons why I was like, oh, I have to have Cranberry Splash. Now, if you guys have been on her site, you know that it was actually part of like a 4-piece collection, and there was an orange in there, which I went back to grab, but we'll get to that one soon. We'll get to Orange Pop in a minute, but I wanted to go through all of the other polishes in my purchase process. I know there's a method to the madness. So, while PPU was having tons and tons of greens, neon greens, goodness, there was Cirque with, I think it was Socialite. I passed on all of those. I passed on J Ren. I passed on Fair Maiden because there was fancygloss one up. And look at how great those yellow flakies look in this really bright, super, super bright neon green. And I was like, that's what I'm looking for. That's exactly what I want. And I think the flakes shift from green to yellow. So this was what I really, really wanted. J-Ren was cute. Socialite was, again, cute. Even Fair Maiden was cute, but they weren't offering what I really, really wanted, which was a highlighter green, like neon green, eye-searingly bright green. But I also wanted yellow flakies, and they are super prominent. You can see them so easily right there in the polish. Like, they're not even hidden. And that was what I really was going after. I just didn't want to be bothered with a neon green where I had to fight to find my yellow flakies. So, in the event that I thought I might get a green polish without yellow flakies, I picked up Game Over, which is super bright yellow, highlighter yellow, and it's so neon that it's crazy. And everybody that is close to me is like, look at all these neon creams. And I was like, yeah, they're nice. And I might have even considered really purchasing some, but I was saving up my money for the restock for PFD and fancygloss. So I didn't even bother with buying any of the neon creams because I had neon flakies coming my way. And look how bright that is. Oh my gosh. So I am fighting the urge to squeal right now because it's so bright and it makes me so happy that I went ahead and grabbed it, because these are like $11 a piece, guys. $11 for indie polishes. Not that bad, considering on the other end of the scale it's like $15, $16, and that's literally cutting into my budget for another polish. So next up we have the lovely highlighter neon pink fancygloss flaky Boss Battle. And I really, really liked this whole collection that she released with the neons because I like to play video games. I can't help it. And I just thought Ready to Play was such a fun collection to have. So I was already pulled towards it, and then I actually saw these polishes and I lost my mind a little bit. I couldn't help myself. And then I was afraid that there wouldn't be a restock after June 19th. So I might have gone a little overboard, but I have no regrets. Look how bright that pink is. And then you've got the flakies on top of it. Come on. That's a great buy. So yeah, I was super excited about that. And of course, I wasn't going to just get 3 neons because that's an odd number and I'm strange. So I had to get one more neon, and I chose the orange, which is called The Floor is Lava. Now, I wasn't sure if I was going to like a neon orange, but I grabbed it because I was like, you know what? I don't have the patience for trying to hunt it down later. That's like one of the things I don't like doing. I don't like hunting down polishes. And I'm just going to put it out there that I really just, I don't. Once it comes to searching and fighting to find a polish, I'm just, at that point, I'm out. And I did not want to end up in that situation. So I grabbed the Floor is Lava and no regrets, because guess what color comes up in those color shifting flakies? I know you guys can see it. It's little bits of pink. So that's it for the neons, and that's pretty much why I did not feel the need to buy a bunch of neon creams this year. I bought some last summer, and I didn't even use them that much, so I just decided to skip those and get the neon flakies, and I am super happy I did. So going back to my first purchases, I had to complete that set. I didn't get the nude one with the flakies, but I did grab Orange Pop, because I thought at the very least it's going to be so fun to wear around Thanksgiving, around Halloween, because it's orange, but it's not creepy orange. For me, there are oranges that are beautiful, and then there are oranges that just look so bad on me that it's like, why did I buy this? Why did I do this to myself? Oh yeah, because I didn't see it on anybody's skin tone like mine, so I kind of just hoped for the best, and I didn't get what I wanted. But this one is like almost orange with a little bit of amber, and it's super jelly. So the color shifting flakes balance that out so well and give it a nice bit of dimension. I found that I was extra fond of this one when I swatched it. I was actually pretty sad because I didn't want to take it off, because I wanted to just wear it, and there were other colors that I needed to be swatching. So, but I'm happy because the season for Orange Pop is coming up, and I will be wearing it because I've got it. And then there was another collection released during the summer, like, oh, I don't know if it was a tropical theme, because there were like 2 other colors in it that didn't super impress me, but this right here, Luau Nights, I couldn't pass it up because it was so pretty. It's like a blurple with pink color shifting flakies, and I just couldn't pass it up. It's so pretty. The contrast there is so wonderful that I couldn't leave it behind. So I had to get it. And I'm going to go ahead and swatch this for you guys. And I've got a picture of it with it by itself and with some nail art, because this one was one of those polishes that just impresses you so much that you're like, yep, I gotta do more. I gotta do more than just wear it. I've gotta be extra with it. And there it is up close. And I really like Luau Nights, so I don't even know if it's going to go into a seasonal category for me, because I can't see myself putting it away at the end of the season. But we have one last polish from fancygloss. I swear that's it, guys. And this one is hibiscus. So I think the other one I wanted was paradise. I can't remember. I think it was a purple. But I liked this one so much. I was so excited about hibiscus because it's a pretty pink. And I think those were yellow color shifting flakies. I can't remember. All I remember is loving the combination together. And then you do want to use top coats with these because they are gorgeous, but they dry a little on the semi-glossy side. So to really make those flakies pack a punch, you're going to want your top coat, and a good juicy one at that. But oh my goodness, look at that gorgeous pretty pond effect. And that's only on the first coat. But we will be back, second coats, and then a wrap up. Sorry guys, one more, and this one was hiding from me on the top of my rack which I don't know why I put it there. Probably because anytime I have the idea to combine a stamping polish with a regular indie polish, I put them together, and I nearly lost track of this one. I'm so sorry about that. But this one is Paradise, because I was like, I'm pretty sure there was a purple. There was a pink, there was a blue, there was a purple, and I had to go searching for it. But this one, again, the purple with the pink flakes. Paradise was another one that I wanted too badly to leave it behind. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch this one real quick for you guys. And I'm sorry, I thought about doing a regular live swatch on my hands, and I was like, oh my god, I've already swatched them, and that would be like really time consuming, guys. So I decided to go ahead and just do it this way, and then show you guys the swatch photos, so you get to see the formula without my skin tone, and you get to see the formula with. So win-win. And we are back with the second coats of these beauties. So just in case you guys forgot, this one and this one are on my yellow Summer Indies video, which I linked it. I'll try to link it again. So this is Limonata. This one is Cranberry Splash. This one is One Up. Oh my god, that green is so fantastic. And then we've got Game Over, which was the last polish I swatched, because I felt like it was a great idea to have Game Over be the polish that ended that video. And then, of course, we have the Neons Continued with Boss Battle. The Floor is Lava. And then on to this beautiful orangey amber with color shifting flakies. That one is Orange Pop. And then we have my blue of the group, Luau Nights. And then we have Hibiscus, which is this gorgeous rosy shade. And then last we have Paradise, which is what I was in when I got all of these beauties from fancygloss for just $11 a piece. Plus she has a points system, so when you make purchases you also get points. So that is it. Stay tuned to my Instagram for more of these swatches, because they will be popping up. And thank you guys again for all of your time. If you're part of my nail fam, thank you again for sharing your precious day with me. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and the notification bell so you don't miss any uploads. Thank you guys again. Please definitely be safe out there and take care of yourselves. It's not the time to be reckless. Please take care of your health and your friends and your family. See you guys later. Bye.